Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Instagram Profile Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Appify or in the link down in the description. It's used to extract followers, bios, verification status, business info, and other stuff from Instagram profiles without logging in. If you only need Instagram profile data, this scraper is exactly what you want. However, if you want to scrape Instagram posts from a specific profile, I'll link down our Instagram post scraper as well. This scraper is perfect for influencer research, competitor analysis, prospecting, and social media intelligence, all without APIs or manual copying. So, how does it work? The input is pretty simple. You can add as many profiles as you want in either their username format, their handle format, or the Instagram URL. If you're scraping larger lists, especially over 100 profiles, residential proxies are recommended. Since we're only searching for 5, we won't add any proxies. Once you're ready, you can run the actor once, or you can schedule it according to any needs you may have. For this demo, we'll run it once. And now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you get a clean dataset in the Output tab. Each row represents one of the Instagram profiles. And for each profile, you'll see follower count, bios, verification status, business category, if they're private or not, and even related profiles. And it's all timestamped. You can also download the data as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file, which makes it incredibly easy to analyze influencers, monitor competitors, or build outreach lists. So here's a few suggestions of how you can use this scraper. You can use it for influencer research and vetting, competitor profile analysis, prospect and lead list building, brand and market monitoring, and social media intelligence dashboards. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us.